Hi everyone, Gallop Milavetz at the Milavetz Law YouTube video channel. Today I want to talk about arbitrations. So what happens if you have been in a car accident and you've sent in your medical bills to your insurance company and your insurance company has sent you to one of their doctors and has decided they're not going to pay your bills anymore? What recourse do you have? What can you do about that? Well, in Minnesota, in our NoFault Act, we have a choice. We can file a no-fault arbitration with the American Arbitration Association, and that will bring your dispute to a head before a neutral arbitrator about 3 or 4 months down the road. It's low cost, it's effective, and it's quick, and it's binding. The other alternative, if your amount of benefits in dispute are more than $10,000, is you can go ahead and file a lawsuit. And that is going to go through the normal legal procedures that come along with going into a lawsuit. But if you file for an arbitration, we file a petition with the Arbitration Association, and you then are asked to appear at an arbitration in a lawyer's office where a neutral lawyer who has been essentially approved by your attorney and the insurance company will hear your case in a hearing that probably takes about an hour. So you'll have an opportunity to tell the arbitrator about the accident and about the treatment that you received and why it helped you. And the insurance company will have an opportunity to argue that the treatment was not reasonable or necessary and wasn't helping you. And then the job falls to the arbitrator who hears the case to make a decision. And the arbitrator will issue a written decision within 30 days and will tell you whether your bills should be paid, whether your mileage going back and forth to the doctor should be paid, whether your wage loss should be paid, and how much. And that decision is not appealable, it's binding, and if that is issued as a written order, then that part of your case is finished and you get your bills paid or your mileage paid or your wage loss paid. So that's what an arbitration is. I'm glad we could talk about this for a few minutes. I'm going to come on another day and talk about mediations and what's the difference between a mediation and arbitration. So look forward to that. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you can feel free to comment below, and we will then address those as we go forward. Thanks for listening.